I would recommend All Things Barbecue because it's a one-stop shop. When they say All Things Barbecue, they mean All Things Barbecue. When we moved into this house, the backyard was just total grass. There was no structure to it at all. The kitchen has it's made it seem more like a complete facility, something that rather than a picnic aspect to it, it really allows us to have a nice meal outside. They had the expertise to know what we needed, and then they did handle the construction of it and the design of it, and they were flexible enough that they were willing to do any part of that, or they were willing to do all of it. One of the reasons we moved here was to provide a setting, kind of a grandkid magnet. It has really accomplished what we were after. It's been a place that they feel comfortable coming on Monday nights, but also a place that they can host their own parties. And so we've had, just in the last couple of months, we've celebrated 3 birthday parties plus our Monday night dinners. The furniture and 100% of it came from All Things Barbecue. When we went down the first time to look, my wife found a pattern that she really liked. We had a short time frame on delivery, and the furniture was not going to make that time frame. And so Don volunteered to bring out a complete set of furniture so that we could host this party that we had been planning for quite some time. They brought it out, they set it all up, we had our party, and a day later they came out and they picked it all up and took it back. It enabled us to have a real nice party with nice furniture, which is what we were going for. And then our furniture showed up a week or so later. So awful lot of extra effort on All Things Barbecue's part. That it's one of the reasons that we went to them.